Hello everyone, my name is Javier Gomez, member of the UDS technical team, and in this video we're going to see how to configure Windows machines that will be our templates for our VDI desktops. In this case, as you can see, we're going to use a Windows 11. Of course, the process with a Windows 10 machine will be very simple, as very much the same. Okay, now let's access the machine and let's start configuring the important things. Let's enter its configuration. First thing, let's see if our Windows is updated. As you can see, it's updated in my case. And in the case that we don't want our users to see this, all the problems we have with the update, let's pause the update. You can cancel them, whatever you need, or the best for the users. Okay, next part, let's go to our System tab. Let's go to Remote Desktop, and of course we need to activate the Remote Desktop connection, as you can see here now. And we need to not check this NLA that you can see here, not check, please. It can create some problems. And let's go to our browser. In this case, we're using Edge. Let's enter our UDS server with the IP in this case. And now let's access with a administrator user. In my case, we are going to use the super user, UDS admin, and the password. Okay, we're inside. Now here, let's go to the download tab so we can download our actor. As you can see right here, .x. It shouldn't take long, and we already have it. Let's open it. Let's say yes. Okay, first things, let's select the language. Let's click on next. Let's agree. Then we will select the destination folder where we want it to be installed. We can leave it by default, and it should start installing. Should be a very fast process. Let's click on next, and we can click here and run, and it will run automatically when we finish. Okay. We have it. Now let's start with the first thing, with the UDS server. So let's put the IP of our UDS server, IP or DNS name, whatever you need. The authenticator that we're going to use for the connection. In my case, we're going to use the administration. This will be the super user. In my case, UDS admin and its password. And in the advanced tab, for now, we can leave it by default. Let's click on register. Okay, let's click on tests, and great. Let's click in close now. And now we already have the actor installed and ready to go. One last thing that we need, the plan settings. There are energy plans. For that, the display will never turn off. Let's put it in never, because this can create some connection errors when we're trying to connect to the machine. So let's leave it with never. And now again, we have our Windows 11 machine template ready, so we can create more machines. Of course, always remember to shut down the machine before we do the new publications, because it can create some errors. I hope this video has helped you a lot, and thank you very much